What's up, everybody? Matt Maran here for another video from New York. This is the Lincoln Aviator Concept. Just a concept, but Lincoln concepts are always very conservative, and you see most of this for production. So all the gorgeous looks you're seeing here, most of that you'll see on production versions of the Aviator. Maybe some slightly smaller wheels, but honestly, I don't see anything on this vehicle that couldn't be a production version. It looks so good, though. I mean, it's got a little bit of Range Rover Velar, a little bit mixed in, but very Lincoln still, and I think it looks really good. The interior is even more amazing. It is just so nice in here. Everything is covered in leather or metal. You have those, very highly contoured seats you can adjust in a ton of different ways. And then coming over to the center here, you can see very nice infotainment, which is large. Just looks really great. I love the gear shifter being just those little buttons. You can see the floating center console for your climate controls. Lots of storage, which is great, for an SUV. And just, man, everything looks so nice. All that machine turned aluminum is really cool. It's even concave there up by the dashboard. The way that it kind of curves in, it's really cool. I'm just so blown away by the interior of this thing. It's so cool. Obviously, you have digital gauges, which look great as well. And so this is going to be based on the same platform as the next-gen Explorer whenever these do actually get produced. This is going to be built. And so you can see very spacious second row there, but it is a 3-row SUV. So you can see the third row there. And I'll show you in a second the space behind there. Looks like it's a decent amount of legroom there even for the third row. So it should be pretty promising for both the Explorer and the Aviator here. It's going to be rear-wheel drive based platform too, although you can get all-wheel drive, of course. But it's really great that it's going to be a platform like that. But anyway, so that is a Lincoln Aviator Concept. Very cool looking.